we were gonna do something else, but it's raining, so now we're gonna do this. Alright, I'm gonna say something that might sound a little crazy to some of you, but I've never made a taco before. I mean, I know what they look like, and I know what they taste like. I know the essence of what a taco is, but I've never made one. So that's what we're doing here today. Hiding under a bridge and making some tacos. It'll be steak tacos, because that's what I have. I don't have my grill with me, so we're cooking it on a Soto stove, a camp stove. I don't know how that's gonna go. I've never cooked a steak on a little propane stove before. Look, I feel like if we get the steak right, like if that works, everything else is gonna work out just fine. So, I'm gonna pay attention to this part, and then we should be good. Holy cow, dude. I'm always underestimating the strength of this camp stove, but look at that. Hey, it looks like it's going well, again. Things are looking up. Stop it. Okay, so as our steak burns, let's chop up some cilantro. Hey, no, Apple, you really gotta back up now. Apple, sit! That is not gonna work. Apple, no. So we're just dicing up some cilantro. I don't know how good that is. Oh my god. Eat downstairs, one on me. Gonna lime. Cut that in half. Maybe another minute. Hey guys, how's that look? Is that enough? Tortillas? Tortellinis for that steak? How many is that? 1, 2, that's 10. 10 should be good, right? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, it's a pretty big steak. Alright, let's take a look at our steak here. I've let it cool for about 10 minutes. I didn't do anything to the steak, only salt and pepper. Yeah, that's gonna be as finely diced as I'm willing to get it in my own car. I think that's good enough. I think we're pretty close. Bro, this rain is getting huge, dude. Okay, now we're really just putting it all together. I have Rick Bayless's green sauce for my tacos today. It's good. I not have some kind of spoon. I think all tacos need lime, especially ones with so much fat, like this one. Yo, all right, I think we're done. Let me take some photos before I chow down. So what do you guys think? I call this a roaring success. I used all the steak. They look like tacos. They look good. Let me try one right now. Yeah, oh man. What can I say? It tastes like steak and taco ingredients around it. Cheers. By the way, my videos are unsponsored, so there's no like commercials. and I don't work for anybody. But I do make my own candles, so if you want one. Dice the steak a little smaller, but outside of that, I mean, they're great. Like, I would pay for these. Look at this. You show them a trick, and I'll give you a piece of steak, okay? Paw? Okay, that's 2 paws. 1 paw. You're not paying attention. Okay. Alright. How about we do the weight? 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 Okay, go. Go. Okay, last piece, okay. After this one, no more, okay? This is the last one. No more after this, you fat little pig. I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed making it and eating it. I gotta take a nap now because I have to. Love ya. Bye.